In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean an essential oil diffuser. So right here, I have doTERRA's old pedal diffuser. So this is actually several years old. They don't have this model anymore, but they do have another newer model that I believe is called the Pebble. So you're going to see right here, we want to clean this inside as well as this inside part right here. We want to clean this out. So what we're going to do first is we are going to take some white vinegar and we're just going to fill it a little bit, about halfway to the fill line. So on this particular diffuser, the fill line is this little red dot right here, this little red stick. So we're going to fill it halfway, and then we are just going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that we've let it sit for about 10 minutes, we're just going to remove the lid, and we're going to grab a couple of Q-tips, and we're just going to start rubbing around the inside where the oil has started to collect. So you kind of want to be very careful around this middle part right here. This is where it creates the vibration that creates the mist. So you want to be very gentle on that part right there. But I'm just going to kind of scrub all around the edges. And then I'm going to take that same Q-tip and I'm going to clean around the edges on the top too. Because I want to try to get off all that excess oil that has been collecting over time. You can see it's kind of on my Q-tip, so I'm going to get a little bit more vinegar and I'm just going to start cleaning. On this particular diffuser, this part pops right out. So you can take this to the sink and just scrub it down. You don't have to be as gentle with this part. So you just kind of want to get out all that excess oil that kind of sticks to all the nooks and crannies. You can see that looks a little bit better. And then on the top, this top actually looks pretty good. You're just going to kind of want to go in on the edges and the creases and kind of do that, okay? From there, I am going to take these and rinse them out. Okay, so now that I rinsed these all off, I am just going to grab a nice soft towel and just kind of dry them off, just to kind of wipe off any excess stuff that might not have come off. And then the inside. And then make sure you clean the outside as well when you're doing that, when you're rinsing it off. And then this inside here. I'm just going to, so you want to be very gentle on the inside because you do not want to mess up that vibration mechanism that helps create the mist. So you can see that it's already much cleaner inside than it was when we started. Now, like I said, this is an old diffuser, several years old, so some of these are probably stains that just might not come off. So once you've done that and you've cleaned the diffuser, then I like to add some water to the fill line, or even just halfway. I guess it doesn't really matter how much you put in. And then I like to add about 6 drops of lemon essential oil, because the lemon is just going to kind of help it to run smoothly, push through any extra gunk that got stuck. And then I'm going to put this top piece back together, just push that back on, a little click. And then turn it on. And then I'm just going to turn my diffuser on. Oh, I guess I forgot to plug it in. Now I'm just going to turn the diffuser on. And as you can hear, this one's a little bit older, so it makes a funky sound. Give it a minute or two and that sound will actually go away. But now it's beautiful, it's working properly, and we've got some nice mist that's diffusing these beautiful essential oils into the air to help clean and purify it and to help open up our airways. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell to be notified every time I add a new video.